First, fry the chopped meat with some oil and butter in a pot. After a while, add the chopped onion and fry until slightly browned, then add the spices and fry. Then add the tomato paste and fry. Add 4 cups of boiling water and let it cook over medium heat for 2 hours. Now grate the carrots coarsely, fry them in hot oil with a little salt, then remove from the pan. Wash the rice and cook it in a pot with some water and salt, drain it, and let it steam. Now pour the fried carrots into the pan without oil and then add 1 tablespoon of saffron water, pitted prunes, and grape verjuice, and let it simmer over low heat for a few minutes, then it's ready to serve. Enjoy your meal.